If you want to make Google Calendar repeat on certain days, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. Whether you're scheduling a weekly meeting, a class, a reminder, or a recurring personal task, setting a custom repeat pattern can save you time and help keep your calendar organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're inside your calendar, look for the Create button. This is where you'll start making a new event. Click Create, then choose Event to open the Event Setup window. Now you can begin entering the main details for your event. Add a clear event title so you'll know exactly what it is later. Then select the date and time for the first occurrence of the event. This is important because Google Calendar uses this first event as the starting point for the repeating schedule. If your event lasts for a certain amount of time, make sure the time is set correctly before moving on. After that, look for the repeat option. By default, Google Calendar usually shows does not repeat. Click that option and then choose Custom. This is the setting that gives you more control over exactly how the event repeats. Instead of repeating every day or every week automatically, you can choose the specific days that work for you. Once you're in the custom repeat settings, look for the section called Repeats On. Here, select the specific days you want the event to repeat. For example, you might choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or maybe just Tuesday and Thursday. This is the key step that lets you build a schedule around your exact needs instead of using a standard repeat pattern. Next, decide how often the event should repeat. Depending on the type of event, you may want it to repeat every week, every 2 weeks, or on another schedule that fits your plan. If the event should end after a certain point, you can also choose an end date. This is useful for temporary schedules, classes, projects, or anything that doesn't continue forever. After you've selected the repeat days, frequency, and end date, click Done to confirm the recurrent settings. Then review the rest of the event details one more time to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy with it, click Save. Google Calendar will now create the event and repeat it on the specific days you selected, and that's it. You've now learned how to make Google Calendar repeat on certain days using a custom recurring schedule. This is a really useful feature for staying consistent and saving time, especially if you manage a busy routine. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.